This video is a brief overview of the Axiom product Microsoft Office Importer for AutoCAD. When you install Microsoft Office Importer, you'll see this Axiom tab here, and when you select it, you can see the Microsoft Office Importer features. The purpose of Microsoft Office Importer is to copy Excel or Word information into AutoCAD as linked data. I'm going to show you exactly what that means now. So we've got an Excel file here, and it is over 200 rows long. And you could just select it this way if you choose. I like to usually just do the whole file, and at its simplest, just select this corner and then choose copy. And go back to AutoCAD and choose paste clipboard. And so you start by choosing the top left-hand corner to be the origin of your paste, and then you're dragging down to show the length, and to the right so you can measure the columns. And that's it. Looks pretty good. And this is not a picture. These are AutoCAD elements. So the next thing is, say, what if you were to make a change to your spreadsheet? Because you know you're gonna. So we do that and we save it and exit the file. Now we come back here, manage the link, and update it. And this is what we mean by linked data. We do that and we choose cancel just to get out of that dialog box, and you can see the change has been made. It's going to basically repaste the whole thing based on any new data, which is awesome. And you can set Microsoft Office Importer to auto load when you open a DWG, so that anytime you have an Office Importer paste, it will automatically update as soon as you open that file. I'll also show you quickly a word paste, because you can do the same thing there. Most people want to use it specifically for Excel, but it works just as well with Word. And here I have a 4-page document with some tables and whatnot. A little bit of formatting so you can see it's pretty able to do a lot of different things, or handle a bunch of different formats. So we'll do the same thing. We're going to paste clipboard, and we're going to choose that, and then there's your columns, and you can see it pastes in nicely just like that as well. And the last thing I'd like to show you is settings. You can change the borders, you know, the different weights and whatnot, the scale, the pasting size, how it loads, how it links, a number of things you can do here. But you can get a great result right out of the box as well. So it's really just settings for fine-tuning depending on your project standards. And that's about it. I hope this was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.